Right, welcome back to the home workshop. Now, while I've not been at the proper workshop working on cars, I've had a bit of a side project going on here. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'll show you. So, in amongst the room of engines that have been exploded into a million bits, I've been messing on with this. This is 1380 block, one of the ones that needs work. That's the head that just came back from turbo fill, and this is my plastic aided design setup. And what I've got is I've got another bit here, I've got my sketch of my design on here, I've got some dimensions on here, and I'll keep working at it and I'll show you the progress as I go through, and then you can have the joy of trying to work out what the hell I'm trying to do. So yeah, should be fun. Okay, I've got my sketches transposed onto my piece of plastic, the pad, which is all these dimensions on here, which were copied off that sheet there, which are referenced on this one there. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go next door and use the pillar drill to get the holes bored nicely in the plastic rather than on just a handheld drill just wobbling about. I'll use a proper drill press to get the holes vertical and hopefully in the right place, but we'll see how that goes. Right, it's the next night and it's become painfully obvious that I might have been able to drill those holes in the right place, but I obviously marked them in the wrong place, because this mounting plate that I've made here out of Perspex, the holes aren't quite in the right place. So what I'm going to have to do is just modify the holes, elongate them slightly. I've got a dimension wrong somewhere, so tonight's job is to make that fit that, and then that can go on there and we'll see what's happening. Hey, these GoPros are fancy bits of kit. They even understand Cumbrian when you tell them to start. Right, progress report. Ignore the mess everywhere. Can you see what it is yet? A lot more work to do yet. Obviously we need to sort out idler positions over that side. There'll be a water pump delete probably going on because I go to the electric water pump. Obviously I'll get a good wrap around the bottom pulley, and there'll be another pulley in here, and then the alternator will be to affix in here somehow, because obviously it's a fancy pants one. So it's a little bit different to standard, although I could use the standard one and put a normal style, I could use the standard style alternator and put one of the rib pulleys on it. So yeah, that's what I'm working on, and that's what it's looking like so far. It's not looking too bad at all, to be honest.